Are you struggling to upload images from your WordPress plugin to your Symfony backend? You're not alone. This is a common issue that many developers face, and today we're going to unravel the mystery behind it. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when everything seems to work except for those pesky image uploads. You've done all the right steps, but somehow the images just won't save. Let's dive into this together. Here's the situation. A user has a project with a WordPress frontend and a Symfony backend. They are trying to call the Symfony API from a WordPress plugin to store data. While text data is being saved without issues, image files are not. Sound familiar? Let's explore the steps they've taken. So, what's going wrong? The user uploads images to the WordPress upload folder, sends them through the API, and expects the Symfony backend to handle them. But for some reason, the backend isn't picking up those images. Let's break down the process. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to troubleshoot this issue and get those images uploading smoothly. To begin resolving this issue, the user should first check the file upload settings in the Symfony backend. It's important to ensure that the server is configured to accept file uploads and that the maximum file size is set appropriately. Next, the user should verify that the API endpoint in Symfony is correctly set up to handle file uploads. This includes checking the route and ensuring that the request method is set to POST. Now, the user should inspect the request handling in the Symfony controller. It's crucial to ensure that the files are being correctly retrieved from the request object and that there are no issues with the file handling logic. Additionally, the user should add error handling to the file upload process. This will help identify any issues during the upload and provide feedback if something goes wrong. Finally, the user should test the entire upload process again. This includes uploading images from the WordPress plugin and checking the Symfony backend to confirm that the images are being saved correctly. Fun fact, did you know that the first image ever uploaded to the internet was a photo of a band called Les Horribles sur Net? Just like those images, we want yours to be uploaded successfully. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests that the issue lies in the way files are being uploaded. They recommend replacing the code that uses @ with curl file create for PHP versions 5.5 and above. This change resolves the problem of files not being uploaded correctly. Here's a pro tip. Always log the incoming requests on your Symfony backend. This way you can see exactly what's being sent and troubleshoot any discrepancies. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve the image upload issue. Remember, checking file paths, permissions, and logging requests can save you a lot of headaches. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips.